kiss, it slips through your fingers.
That's people with their fingers. Okay, hello birdies. Hello birdies. Funny enough, I don't like heights, but I'm always on these type of activities, zip lining or kind of crazy stuff. Said to arrive 45 minutes before. It's a good thing. I decided to come early. It's a good motherfucking thing. It's my body beautiful.
Feels like being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like a bad bitch. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Let me tell you what it feels like. Being whose mama, yeah, treat yourself right. It's like magic, living like a bad bitch. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Come get your future. Know you wanna, she'll never betray ya. She ain't telling no lies. So break the glass ceiling, find your meaning, make truth out of dreaming. Baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no
COVID sale. You were just walking and then I spot this sign.
Let's check just what they're selling for clothes.
Well, it's closed. But let's see. Oh, support small business, 100% Muslim owned, support local. I have no idea. It's like midnight now and we're on this street called Arab Street. Alright guys, so I met a friend. She's from India. Say hi to my Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel.
So I'm gonna do a bus tour, guys. Out there. This bus almost left me, okay? Because I saw the bus, I thought it was for the other routes. I realized, okay, this is the bus that I'm supposed to be on. So right here is covered, so I can't really see much because it's covered. I'm gonna go in the night time because I want a better view. This is the most famous, wow.
Next stop, Marina Bay Sands.
To Singapore. Here I'm gonna figure out how to get in and then we're gonna go on top. Nice. Guys, so I'm at the Singapore flyer and I just met a black person. Wow! Yeah, they were telling me that use this as a, what you call it? Like a birthday thing. Yeah. Alright guys, so I met a black person. And we're gonna be chilling for the day.
Yeah.
Where do you guys think she's from? I will tell you later. Yeah. So we're in the pod. Well, we're in here by ourselves. And we're gonna be in here for like 30 minutes. And then afterwards we're gonna go to Selabi. Which, yeah, I think I'm going there tomorrow.
Where? In that thing?
No, this thing. Well, anyways, the flowers thingy over there. That's where I'm gonna go tomorrow. Even if I'm not scheduled to do anything tomorrow, I'm definitely gonna go over there. Oh my god, my camera is dying. Music is being played, so I'm gonna have to try and cut it short in between. But anyways, I'm at this restaurant called 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞, which most people probably know it. I'm so hungry because I haven't eaten anything. By the way, this place opens at 12 o'clock, but they allowed me to stay in here until they open. I think that was really cool. Like, I really like Singapore, but I think it just just a little too fast paced for me. Anyway, so I just finished the river cruise, the same place that I'm at. So this is called Clarke Quay. Along this part, there's just like a river and river. I think that's what they call it, Singapore River. But they have different like sections of the river. And so after this, I'm gonna go to Gardens by the Bay, and then I'm gonna be free for the rest of the day. I'm gonna meet up with, because remember I told you guys that I met 2 persons. I met someone from India and I met someone from Nigeria, but she lives in the UK. And funny enough, the person that I met yesterday, which is the Nigerian, we are gonna meet up in another country next week. So I'm going to another country, she's going to another country, and then we're gonna go to the same country at the same time. So I hope I'm not confusing you guys. But the next country that she's going to, I would not be going to that country. But the country that I'm going to, she's not gonna be there. But then the country after that, both of us are gonna be there at the same time. She was saying how coincidental that we're in Singapore together, and then we're gonna meet up in the next country together. That's like fate. I'm gonna take a bus to Malaysia, so I'm going back to Malaysia. I'm gonna be in Malaysia for like 2 full days. I haven't planned anything for Malaysia, but I'm really happy that I'm gonna be going to a hotel in Malaysia, and I'm not gonna be at a capsule hotel because I don't really fancy capsules. Like, it's a great way to meet people, but as realistic privacy, and if you want like, just laid back type of setting, and not like you want your own space with everything, like your own bathroom and everything, then capsule hotel is not for you, and it's not for me. Like maybe 1 night I'll stay there, but not for like 3 nights. The workers are in here and they were looking at me like, why is this girl talking to a camera? It guts to be a YouTuber, okay? Especially when you're shy and introverted. That is why I don't really do a lot of talking when I'm out and about, because I just need to be more comfortable. But like whenever I get like some alone time, then I'll vlog. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm gonna have to sit back here and wait until 12 o'clock to make my order, and then I'm gonna wait again to get some food. But at least I'm sitting and I'm relaxing and I'm able to vlog. So that's the plus of it all. I can't believe I'm so close to it. I bought a ticket to go to 2 sections of this place. So I'm gonna go walk in that direction to see what's over there. But this is what you can see from in the taxis, from far away. But I was expecting it to be a lot bigger than this. Anyway, let's see what's there. Man-made garden, okay? They have man-made forest. Everything in Singapore is man-made, but it's still beautiful. I'm gonna go all the way up here. I don't know what's up there. Oh, what the guys? Okay, PG-13. I'm gonna go up the top. I don't know what's up there, but let's see. I have my tripod out and ready to take my own pictures, because it's solo tripping off. To Singapore airport, and as you can see, there is a huge waterfall inside of the airport. So there's a waterfall, and there are like many different trees, like a garden. I'm gonna take some pictures, and then I'm gonna head back to the hotel because I need to collect my suitcase. If you're coming to Singapore, definitely check out the waterfall inside of the airport. But I decided to come because when I came here initially, I did not get to come to the waterfall section because it was so late. Guys, I've been sitting here for like maybe 30 minutes now, and I'm gonna get out now because I'm supposed to get back to the hotel by 6 o'clock, and I have 30 minutes. Ooh, look at this. What the hell? It's getting smoky, foggy or whatever. Wow. But I gotta leave now. Ooh, and it's cold in here. So cold. so relaxing to wait. Like I mean wait. But this is cool. Pretty cool.